Hey, how you doing, folks? Well, it's Terry here, Muirhead Pottery. Wanted to show you some of the pieces I was doing. I don't know if you caught my last video, um, but I was just doing a little bit of trimming. I had more pieces to do. I didn't necessarily think you'd want to watch me do that, so I finished the rest of them off, and I'll show you some of the ones I did. So, I don't know if you can see this. Here's one of the plates I did. Pretty nice plate. Yeah. Signed the back of it and everything. Plan on doing more of these. This is out of a white stoneware clay. Looks awesome when it's completely fired. But yeah, that's one of the pieces I was pretty proud of. Turned out all right for me. Here's a nice bowl. Let's see here. There we go. Nice bowl. You can see it's a little bit wet on the back side, but nice little bowl. Alright. I don't know if you can see this, but I've got quite a few pieces here I'm adding up. Just some of the ones I've done so far. I did a bunch of these here. They're supposed to be mugs. Yeah, well, I remember I said about in the last video, got a little bit too dry. And well, I couldn't put handles on them. So, I guess they'll be vases. Here's one mug I did. If you can see that. There we go. It turned out pretty good. And that's the way the rest of them were supposed to be. So goes life. Alright. So, let's do a video and I'll try to throw something here. Let you all watch that if you're interested. I appreciate it. Let me set you up here. A little bit of jiggling around here. I'm kind of new with videoing myself. I can't say I'm quite used to that. But hopefully get you guys around here so you can see. Hopefully that's good enough. Let's give it a shot. I'd call that centered. I'm just getting used to this wheel. This is a new wheel for me. And it's a tabletop version, so it makes it easier when I want to go to shows and demonstrate. It's easier to pack up and take along. It's just a little different standing and throwing. I'm used to sitting and throwing. This is roughly 2 pounds of clay. This is the white stoneware I was talking about earlier. I really like this clay. It's nice and smooth. There's very little grog in it, which grog is kind of a, I don't want to call it, it's like a sandy material that you find in the clay, but this is very smooth. Well, I think it's a pretty good shape. Let's see. Alright, smooth out the center a little bit. Nice rolled edge, in case you want to beat on a little bit with your wooden spoons. Everything I make, I try to make it very functional. Trying to think about the abuse it's probably going to go through, and hopefully make it last as long as possible. Alright, I call that done. Cut it off the wheel here. Pick it up. Got it. There we go. Alright. Hope you all enjoyed that little video. Gonna be doing some more. I'll get better with the camera, I promise. But kind of new to this and thought maybe I'd do a live feed too one of these times. I'll figure out how to do that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video, and stay tuned, like, share, and we'll see how this goes. Alright guys, have a good evening, and I hope you have a wonderful day tomorrow. Good night.